Do you enjoy putting things together and working with your hands? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning installers can build a career in California. As new homes are built or heating and air conditioning systems age, there is a significant demand for people who can install or repair heating and central air conditioning systems.
Well, HVAC Installer is going to go out to the job site. Typically, there's an existing system. Here in Los Angeles, we deal with a lot of older buildings. Not a lot of new construction here. We're kind of built out from the ocean to the mountains. So there'll be a building there with an existing system. That system needs to be removed, demolished, whatever. And then the installer will bring the new equipment in and connect it up. Sometimes it'll be a straightforward swap. There'll be the old unit will come out, new unit will come in, connect to all the existing electrical, gas, ductwork. Sometimes you're doing a complete tenant renovation. The building might be gutted. There might be a set of mechanical plans that specify where everything is going to be. That type of an installation can be a long-term project. You can be there for weeks, months, maybe even a couple of years, depending on the scope of work. And then once all the equipment is installed, then either you as the installer will fire it up, test it. Some companies will have a startup mechanic come out who specializes in that, because there are always little things that don't quite match up or whatever. And you want somebody who's really good at puzzling things out to be the guy that figures that stuff out. One thing about HVAC, one, everybody needs you. Every building has heating and air conditioning. So you get to go places that ordinary people don't normally get a chance to see. I've been, backstage Kodak Theater, Staples Center. I've seen the facilities that the Metropolitan Water District uses to supply water to all of Southern California. And then you'll be in stars' homes, you'll be in large-scale industrial manufacturing processes. Every day is different. You're never going to see quite the same thing come from day to day. So that part of it keeps it fresh, keeps it interesting.
The energy efficiency and utilities industry sector in California is made up of over 30,000 businesses. Currently, there are over 25,000 heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration mechanics and installers. In the next 5 years, it is projected that there will be over 2,000 job openings in HVAC occupations in California.
In order for me to hire somebody into the industry, the number one thing I need is for them to have passed the EPA exam that allows them to work with refrigerants. Another important element is that they have a pretty clean driving record. Other things we look for, we do our own technical testing here in the company. Some of it's industry specific and some of it's general mechanical skills. Someone who does well on that, obviously somebody that we're going to want to hire. Those are the core things that we're looking for in an application.
Salaries in HVAC occupations range from $17 to $27 per hour.
One thing you have to be able to do in this industry is you have to do the technical side, which means the refrigeration. Part of that means being able to do the basic mechanics, so I recommend a background in physics. Part of it means doing calculations to calculate the subcooling or superheat on a refrigeration compressor. Got to be able to do the math, so math skills are important. If your community college offers any electrical courses, the biggest technical challenge most people have in my industry is understanding how electricity works. There is a credential called ICE that's typically available as an exit exam at the community college level. Not all community colleges require it or even offer it, but it is designed to test the technical competency of someone who's finished either a community college or a trade school and is looking to enter the industry. One of the things that I see a lot of is installers decide that they've been in the trade for a long time. Maybe they don't want to keep climbing in attics or in crawl spaces. They want to get involved in the other aspects of the industry. Frequently they'll go into sales. Now that they have such a depth of knowledge and experience in how homes are built, what homeowners are looking for, what aspects of systems make them successful, and what challenges can make them a failure, now they can bring that knowledge to the homeowner and help them get them where they want to be in terms of comfort and satisfaction.
For more information about earning potential for careers in California, please visit salarysurfer.cccco.edu. For more information about careers in California, please visit pathtocareers.net and cacareercafe.com. To find a community college near you, visit cccapply.org and learn more about how you can take the first steps to a fulfilling career today.